अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम उज़मा परवीन है. I'm a clinical psychologist at Impact Autism Care Center, and today I'll be answering some of the frequently asked questions from the family about assessment. Okay, so the very first question that we usually get from the parents or the family about assessment is कि हम simply consultation या history taking की base पे एक psychological या clinical diagnosis क्यों नहीं दे सकते. It's actually a very common misconception within healthcare कि हम simple history taking या consultation की base पे एक psychological disorder दे सकते हैं. It's very important for me to emphasize कि in terms of life impairment or life dysfunction, एक जो physical diagnosis होता है for physical ailment, it's equivalent to a psychological diagnosis. Just as you visit your physician for physical symptoms that you're experiencing and you wouldn't expect or you wouldn't want कि वो तमाम relevant testing किए बगैर आपको एक diagnosis दें. Similarly, it's not valid to expect a clinical psychologist to also give you a diagnosis without standardized testing. So yes, consultation is definitely very important. It helps you understand the thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and the life functioning of the individual in question, but that is only a guide for us. Now, the consultation together with their own observation or हमारी clinical judgment की base पे we administer some standardized testing, and once we have an objective value at hand which is backed by years of research, only then can we make an accurate diagnosis. Another very important question that we get from the family is कि if we do get the assessment done and my child is given a diagnosis, तो is he going to be tagged for life? इस सूरत हाल में बहुत ज़रूरी है कि the family tries to outgrow the idea कि एक psychological diagnosis individual या family के लिए एक tag या एक stigma है. Rather, they should try to develop the perspective of accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. जिसका मतलब ये है कि if once we have an accurate diagnosis, only then can we plan effective treatment. इसको समझने के लिए हम एक मिसाल ले सकते हैं. Suppose a scenario where you're suffering from a viral infection and you try to take an antibiotic for it. Now we do know कि इस सूरत हाल में it's not going to do much good for you. इसी तरह एक psychological diagnosis की सूरत हाल में mismatched strategies or interventions for care are not going to provide much relief for the individual. इसीलिए एक साइकोलॉजिकल डायग्नोसिस एक टैग या स्टिग्मा नहीं होता. Rather, it's a guide towards effective and accurate care and support.